mighty Aphrodite, my afternoon delight. Give me strength so I'll endure. Give me love to feel alive. Mighty Aphrodite, no one does the art better. She licks the nectar off my skin, or else she'll get the hose again. I can't handle it, feels so good now. I can't control my brain. My mind is in a state of harmony. Oh, I can't handle it, feels so good now. I'm steady as a train. My mind is in a state. Mighty Aphrodite, all of the day and all of the night. Oh, she bounces on me, pounces on me, heroine of desire. This love should last, this love will last forever. I can't handle it, feels so good now. I can't control my brain. My mind is in a state of harmony. Oh, I can't handle it, feels so good now. I'm steady as a dream. My mind is in a state. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Oh, I can't handle it, feels so good now. I can't control my brain. My mind is in a state of harmony. Oh, I can't handle it, feels so good now. I'm steady as a train. My mind is in a state of harmony. Ben je er klaar voor? Denk op me. La 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 la. Once upon a time there was a man who was fed, who said, hey, I'm gonna shoot a fucking bullet in my head. His wife started to cry and said, my God, you're acting mad. They thought she might have got a point and shot his wife instead. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Perfect. We sent them straight to prison with the giant Barnaby, whose reputation was as big as the Statue of Liberty. But Barnaby had yet to see the horrid life he had. Yes, in every fucking shower he himself in fucking said, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. A lifetime never objects. He said, you're going down without a phone, you left face back. Stop! Dus mocht je in een auto zitten, of midden op de burg, dan zou ik zeggen, docht u zeg even mij. De tekst is niet heel moeilijk, het wordt ongeveer een pietje van Sox. Goed zo. La 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 la. No Jim. Ik ben er even stil voor. Ja la 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 la, ja la 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 la. No Jim in de studio, kom op, ik wil je weg al leren. Come on. La la la. No one here, it's been decided. We're on the street, the undertaker has died. He dug a hole for someone else before committing suicide. When they found the note, he wrote it, read to anyone. Just a day like any other and a job well done. It's breaking news, the fortune teller reveals you cannot predict the future, only weathermen are real. Dare you to doubt me when I gloomily tell you will have a pleasant life, but I will see you down in hell. It's been decided up to the moment you die. Don't you deny it. It's been decided up to the moment you die. Don't you deny it. I was the witness, beautiful world. He gave his own life to save the girl alive at the scene. The reporter lies, the truth is out there, but nobody tries to pull a trigger. No need for skill, you need a finger and someone to kill. You took the gun from the undertaker's hands, blink of an eye and another story ends. It's been decided up to the moment you die. Don't you deny it. It's been decided up to the moment you die. Don't you deny it. And what happens when you die? You might as well embrace it. What happens when you die? Oh, you might as well embrace it. You might as well embrace it. You might as well embrace it. Come on. can share it with all your friends. Participate in their events. Oh, I'm so fascinating. Oh, yes, I am. And if you're no friend of mine, you're just a waste of time. What a generation. Validating life through social industry. Every observation matters in a virtual reality. I spend most of my time online. Ignore my friends when they come by. Oh, this is my life story. You better read it before you're dead. Let's post it on the internet. What a generation. Validating life through social industry. Every observation matters in a virtual reality. And what a generation. Data for the entertainment industry. No more motivation. You worry that your life exceeds your timeline. It's Elsenie en Dierendank.